Welcome, friends. My name is Randeep Kodia. I am from India, and you are watching World Stocks Chart YouTube channel. Today's date is 4 December 21, and today's chart analysis is Apple Inc. company. Friends, I previously analyzes the chart of Apple stock and give the target around 160. My target is achieved. Now once again analyze the chart of Apple and find out what is the next target of Apple stock. You see, this is the 1 day chart and Apple stock close from below to some above level at 1.17% fall at $161.84, and today's high is around $164.96, $164.96. Now analyze the chart of 5 day. In 5 day you see Apple stock low is just below 160 and there is a good support, and from there 160 Apple stock from higher high rally around more than $10 and take high above 170. From there you see some profit booking is happening and stock is taking support around $160. Now analyze the chart of 1 month. In 1 month the trend of Apple stock is in uptrend, and you see Apple's stock low is below 150 and major breakout, can say inverted cap formation, happen above 150. From there a sharp $10 rise, then some retracement below 160 and then again high, and it's also break previous 160 above high, and you see higher high and higher low formation is also going on, and you see above 160 you see a inverted head and shoulder breakout, and there is also a bullish formation flag is forming is going on. Now analyze the chart of 6 months. In 6 months the Apple stock low is below 130 and above 120. From there it's move around 150 and then it takes some consolidation phase around 150. From there it goes to just 160. From there good correction come and the stock support in 6 month chart around is 140, and you see a major breakout cup with handle is around 150 level, and from there stock moves fast and above $170. Now analyze the chart of 1 year. You see Apple stock is trading at 1 year high, and in 1 year you see stocks low around 120, and the in 1 year chart major breakout you see happen around just 148 around, and you see 140 around, and you see there is also support and again above 150 cup with handle breakout, and you see the trend of 1 year is also positive, and Apple stock move around $50 in 1 year time. Now analyze the chart of 5 year. The trend of Apple stock is strong in 5 year chart. In 5 year Apple stock low just below $50. A major breakout happen above $50, is double bottom, and the another major breakout happen inverted head and shoulder above 100. From there you see stock is in uptrend with higher high and higher low formation. Now analyze the chart of maximum of Apple. You see stock is trading in blue skies, and Apple stock is trading its lifetime high, and it's moved to $200 in long term. You see, in coming 6 months to 1 year, you target around $200. Friends, the previously I analyze the chart of Apple and take the target of 160, which is achieved. If you have a time horizon of 1 month to 3 month, maximum you see $180 target in Apple stock, or above that $180. Friends, if you like my video, please subscribe channel, like videos, and if you have any query, put it in on comment box. And if you want to take my services, you can buy my monthly subscription. I also teach technical analysis. You can learn technical analysis from me. My contact number and email is put in description box. You can check and contact me. For now, I wind up my video, and I will meet very soon with great chart analysis of another stock. Till now, thank you very much.